Hi, this is Thomas from There Will Be Food, and today we'll be cooking cheese meatballs in paprika sauce. This is a great comfort winter food to get you warm on any sort of day after work or on weekends. It's nice sauce that should be cooked mild, but if you like, you can also change up to hot sauce. So salt the minced meat, put some pepper in, take chopped onion. You can watch it on my channel how to fine chop onion really nice, and then mix it. Then put some grated cheddar cheese in. Then mix again with your hand. Then make some small meatballs. They should be around 1 inch or 2.5 to 3 centimeters in diameter. They should be even size, but no matter if they are not exactly all the same. Put a glog of olive oil and some butter in a pan and get bubbling. When the pan gets hot, you can put the meatballs in. Brown them on all sides evenly. Slight burns, really slight, are okay for better taste, no problem. When they are brown, you proceed to the next step. You want to make space in the middle of the pan and start making the pan sauce. Put some onions in. I used some red and white onion. Mix it in the middle of the pan so you can caramelize it a bit again. And then it's time to make space for the red paprika, chopped. You repeat the caramelization process with the red paprika again. You put some ground pepper in to improve the releasing process of water from the paprika. And then you make place for flour. You put in flour and make kind of makeshift roux. Now put the mild paprika in the pan, but just around for 20 seconds so it doesn't burn and taste bitter. And finally, deglaze the pan with milk. Then mix again and keep on the pan for around another 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Keep mixing from time to time and let your meatballs cook. This is the finished sauce. Serve the sauce with pasta. Finish with a touch of mild paprika or smoked paprika or hot paprika, according to your taste. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. Goodbye.